The 17th participant in the Silva challenge is Patrick, also known as Cash Money himself. So I'm trying a little bit different layout this time to see if it works better. But we'll see. I have added more junk into this tub. So let's have at it. This glittery Lamborghini? It's got to be a Lambo. There's something about this glitter that just screams Cash Money himself. So he may hate it, but that's okay. Got a police chopper, so we got to have aircraft. I'm running out of aircraft, oddly enough. So I've been putting them in almost every one, so we'll stick this one in here. And I'm hoping this layout works because this tub is kind of huge. There's a cool tow truck. What's this thing called? No idea. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That could turn into something interesting. That's kind of neat. Super Comp Dragster Hot Wheels. Yeah, that has kind of a cool look to it. I like that. We'll put that in there. It kind of looks Mustang based. Twinduction. Well, how do they come up with these names? Dear Lord. Oh, there's something kind of cool. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, that's an old Hot Wheels. I like the white walls on it. I have been throwing some older type cars in some of these. That Jester. This looks like it's missing something. It's obviously got a broken off part there, but if you look, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like a little, there's a Hot Wheels logo in the back, and it's like a little Hot Wheels car, like a SWAT car or something. Maybe they're trying to say it's an RC car back here. That's kind of cool. I have a feeling there was a top over this or something, but I don't know why I think that. It just gives me that impression. That's cool. That's an old Bentley. I think we looked at that last time. If not the last. That's obviously missing the interior, but that could do something cool for a post-apocalyptic Gaslands or steampunk kind of build. Man, that's a brittle boat. So I better give that to somebody before I break it. So, yeah, you're getting it, Patrick. This looks like it has like a helicopter back to it. Skyboat by Hot Wheels. I guess there's your boat. And the Lord knows how it's supposed to fly, but hey, not my problem. That's kind of cool. Oh, yeah, well, that's from McDonald's. I thought it was kind of cool until I realized it's like a hard-nosed version of something, and I hate the hard-nosed versions with the big front end and the little back end, like just the opposite of what you'd kind of visually expect. But the engines on there, if you painted those, you'd probably use them for something kind of cool. Is that a Grand, yeah, Grand National. Hot Wheels Buick Grand National. Obviously missing the front. But it's still a Grand National, so I have to give that to you. That's kind of a cool van. It's all plastic, though. That's Hot Wheels. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but running out of room here, Patrick. Might be it, cars-wise. Tooligan. Because of the wrench, probably. I think. Oh, that. I've got to keep that. I've got some old Matchbox trailers or trailers, but camping kind of trailers where I don't have the inserts. This looks like it's one of the inserts. It's obviously beat to hell, but that looks like it would drop into one of those. So yeah, I'm dropping it and I'm setting that aside. Okay. Pretty sure that's it. Casting wise. Yeah. Torque twister. Yeah, I've got room for that in there. I've really got to whittle down this stuff. I've got way too much junk. That's kind of cool. Okay. I keep saying, that's kind of neat. Is that I'm wondering if that's a Batmobile of some kind. It almost has that kind of look, but I could just be thinking that because of the coloring. But stylistically, it just seems Batmobile-ish, and there is room for it. So yeah, that's going in there. Set that aside. Huh, the heck's that? The heck is that? XT3 vehicle. Huh. That's odd. And it'll fit. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay. So that's where we're at on the box. Now, let's throw some 3D printed stuff. I've got some stuff. This is the box of Time Rider stuff, so I'll throw the last set of tracks that he sent in there. We'll throw some other stuff he printed in there. Oops, that's pointy. Okay. Sure. That thing. A crate of some kind. A pre-printed or pre-painted weapon. That actually looks pretty cool. I'll throw that in there. You can find something to stick that on. Let's get some of these wheels. Wheels. More wheels. Yeah, sure. Wheels. Okay, so that's out of the Time Rider box. And then out of the junk I've been printing, what do we got? We've got, throw a few engines in here, throw a few front rams, set of rockets, bigger set of rockets. This really, you might need to cut in half to make two sets because it's so wide. I put a set like this across a K7, which is obviously wider, but some guns, some other guns, more rockets, and one more box to go. Yeah. I've been printing skulls. The skulls have been printing really well and quickly and easily. So, yeah, I've had fun printing the skulls. So there's some skulls, some jerry can tanks, some tanks, some Greeblies here, the last two of those. Okay. This is the box going to Cash Money himself. Have fun with this, Patrick. I can't wait to see what you do with this stuff. Everybody, thanks for watching these videos. Hope you're having as much fun as I am. Catch y'all in the next one.